you think is okay, which is good, big improvement now. Keep going ahead. End of this road, we are turning left.
But it's a long way up, no easy road through the fire, through the cold. Step by step, I'm breaking through, even when I feel I lose. I won't stop, I won't bend, start again, again, again. Yeah,
So
it's a
I will
long
be
way
turning left, speed limit will
I know,
be
but I'm stronger than before.
there are roadworks.
We are turning left.
There's no
Our light is green.
Late night staring at the
Yes,
ceiling.
we got the priority them.
bend
Okay. And why them?
because they're on
They're-
the main road.
Good. Turn left here and then go ahead.
It's a long way up, no easy road through the fire, through the cold. Step by step, I'm breaking through, even when I feel I lose.
Just look at the floor marking, okay?
Yeah. Are we going ahead?
Ahead. So which lane?
Left lane.
Okay.
I know, but I'm stronger than
Just want to fix one mistake, okay? The previous one.
Yeah.
So always look at the floor marking.
Yeah.
When you see a bend on the road, just show me.
Yeah. There is an upcoming bend,
Okay.
but it's very visible what's going on the road.
Okay.
Nevertheless, I shouldn't be too fast at the bend.
And what is the speed here?
30.
Okay.
There's a parked bus, so cars are coming to my side of the road, but that white car is waiting for me.
Because he got obstruction, so he's
Exactly.
waiting. Okay. Look at the right one.
Yeah.
Yes. Is it safe to go around
Not really, because
Good.
there are cars coming.
in the jump? This yellow boxes here.
Exactly.
Okay. So what is the best way then?
Stay a safe distance away from the bike.
And stay behind him.
Stay behind
Okay.
him. Yeah.
Good. Again, these boxes, so still not safe.
Yeah.
What about here?
Uh,
Still not
still not safe.
okay.
There's a car coming. There are other cars coming.
When you
It's
see
still not
any
safe.
bends, tell me please. Can you
Yeah,
see the
There
sign?
is a bend. Yeah, it says reduce speed now.
Okay. Look at the floor marking as well. What is on the floor here?
It says slow.
Okay. Why slow?
Because there is a bend.
Okay.
Yeah. I think that guy is going to turn.
Yeah. He's turning right.
Yeah.
He's telling us to slow down. I'm turning right.
Yeah. Yeah. We are already a safe distance
Yeah.
away from it though.
Good. Keep
So
going
the
ahead,
speed limit
please.
is becoming 40.
Okay.
I'll just accelerate afterwards.
Okay.